Welcome to DevMind. If you want to step into the world of programming and you are looking for a language that is easy, powerful, and highly in demand in the job market, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are starting our very first lesson in Python. Don't worry at all, you don't need any prior experience. Just grab your favorite drink and let's get started. First of all, why Python? Simply because it's a language that reads and writes almost like plain English. It is incredibly fun to learn, and it is used in almost everything around us, from web development and artificial intelligence to data analysis, and even by tech giants like Google, Netflix, and NASA. The best part? Its syntax is clean and simple, without the complicated rules of older programming languages. The first code. Hello world. There is a famous programming tradition. Whenever you start learning a new language, you must first make the computer greet the world. In Python, this takes only a single line of code. All you have to do is write the magic word, print. Then, open parentheses, add quotation marks, and type your message inside. It looks just like this. Print, hello world. As soon as you run this code, you will see that the computer follows your command instantly and prints hello world on the screen. Congratulations! You have officially written your very first line of code. The concept of variables. Now, let's take a quick, smart step forward. How does a computer remember our data so we can reuse it later? This is where variables come in. To understand variables easily, imagine them as labeled cardboard boxes. We write a name on the outside of the box, and we store a value or a piece of information inside it to use whenever we need. For example, let's create a box, name it name, and store a name inside it. We write it like this. Name equals Mark. Now, the computer remembers that the box named name contains the value Mark. If we want to print a custom welcome message, we just write print welcome to DevMind plus name. When we run the code, the computer opens the box, reads the value inside, and prints welcome to DevMind Mark. You can try changing the name inside the box to your own name and watch how the output changes instantly. This was your very first step into the vast and exciting world of Python. In the upcoming lessons, we will learn how to make our programs make smart decisions and interact with users even more. If you enjoyed this simple guide and want to continue this coding journey with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Let me know in the comments, did you successfully run your first code today? Stay creative, and see you in the next lesson here on DevMind.